Accident reporting is another requirement that doesn't change just because we are in an emergency event. Whether you're in a debris tower, collecting debris on the streets, or overseeing the Blue Roof mission, there's always a potential for a mishap. A mishap is an unplanned event or undesired event that occurs during the course of work that's being performed. The term mishap includes accidents, incidents, and near misses. Some examples of recordable mishaps are an occupational illness or injury to a USACE civilian, for example, a dog bite or a broken arm or leg. Damage greater than $5,000 to USACE property. Any damage to public or private property, or injury or death to an employee which occurs in the area of operation identified by the event. Take a look at these photos and think about the hazards and potential accidents that could occur at these sites. There's a possibility for entrapment with a building collapse. In this photo, there could be the possibility of airborne debris, ground instability, or the issue of overhead utility lines. In cold weather missions, there's also the risk of slips, trips, and falls. And of course, driving is a common hazard in all missions. If someone falls at a debris reduction site, you must report it. If someone strikes your rental car, you must report it. The bottom line is that all accidents must be properly reported to your supervisor. The sooner you can call your supervisor, the sooner we, as safety professionals, can evaluate the mishap. This provides us with the opportunity to see what happened, learn from the mishap, and then share lessons learned with our team. Even if you are off duty, please report any incident or mishap, because there's always a potential that it could affect the mission readiness. For example, after Hurricane Katrina, getting to work in the fall mornings brought unique hazards. Government employees were driving to job sites early in the morning through fog so thick that you could barely see 20 feet in front of you. Our vehicles, which were parked on side streets, were being literally hit every day. But we learned from those mistakes. Soon we provided yellow strobe lights to put on the top of vehicles that were out on the street. We directed responders to park in a safe location and walk into the job site. As a result, the occurrence of parked car accidents dropped immediately. Reporting mishaps help us do our job more efficiently and safely. Reporting mishaps to your RFO safety manager could help you prevent a similar mishap from happening to your peers. The RFO safety manager will utilize EngineLink to track mishaps and accidents. Remember, all mishaps are reportable to your safety manager.